So right now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. I will make you familiar with all of these options. Like here we can see posts, media, pages, appearance, plugins, tools, settings, all these options. Actually these are super easy and I'd say these are self-explanatory. Now first of all I want to make you familiar with two basic terms, which is dashboard and front end. So right now what you can see everything here, we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. Only we can see it because we are the admin of this website. Now if you want to see the front end of the website, then from the left top corner here we can see my blog, though I will change it to our branded name like Jim Fahad Digital, or you can put your business name there. Okay, so if you hover over there we can see visit site. I'm just opening it from a new tab. So this is the front end of our website. Right now our website is looking like it and the whole world can see our website like this. And here at the top of the front end we can see a top black bar. We can also see that on the dashboard top here. Actually only we can see these black bars because we are the admin of the website, but other visitors cannot see this black bar. Alright, now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now the very first thing I wanna do, I wanna just delete all other unnecessary things. Like here we can see some notification pop up, so let's close it by clicking on this X, and let's just minimize all of them. So I'm minimizing this one, or we can just do one simple thing. Like from here if I just click on screen options, from here I can just deselect all of them. Like I'm deselecting this one, also this one. So right now our WordPress dashboard is looking much cleaner. Personally I love to work in a clean environment, so not only this, I wanna clean up my WordPress more. So to do it, first of all from left let's go to plugins. From there go to install plugins. So here we can see some plugins pre-installed. Actually this plugin came with default WordPress installation, but I don't need them, so I can select one by one, or we can select all these plugins just by selecting here. So first of all from bulk action I just wanna delete them, so let's select delete, and from here I'm clicking on apply. Now the browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure, so click on OK. So all unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Then from left if I hover over on pages, from there let's go to all pages, and again we can see some pages that we have not created, but this came with default WordPress installation. Let's now just select all these pages together. Now from bulk action I'm clicking here move to trash, then click on apply. So those pages has been deleted as well. Alright, so at this point our WordPress dashboard is looking much cleaner. The next thing I wanna do, I wanna show you how to change your password. So to do it, from left menus let's hover over on users. From there let's go to profile. Now from here first of all if you want you can change this admin color scheme. Like if you want you can change it to light or modern or blue. See, this admin color schemes has been changed. Actually it doesn't matter because only you can see it, so you can make it anything according to your preference. So I'm just setting it to default. Now let's scroll down. From here if you want you can change your first name, last name, or your display name. So here I'm making my first name to Jim, then my last name to Fahad. Also I wanna change this one, it says display name publicly as, so I'm setting it as Jim Fahad. Basically this name will appear everywhere on your website. Let's say whenever you will write in a blog, that display name will be shown on your blog post as the author of that blog post. And then if you want you can change your email address from here. You can put some of your biographical information inside here, and then if you want to add any profile picture you can change the profile picture from this place. Then now from under account management I just wanna set my new password. So to do it just click on set new password. I'm making it hide, and here I'm typing a really strong password. Though it says medium, but I'm happy with it. So let's scroll down, and from here I'm clicking on update profile. Then I wanna do some basic settings. So from here, hover over on settings. From there, let's go to general, and from here you can change your site title and tagline. So here I'm changing my site title to Jim Fahad Digital, and here inside tagline I just wanted to say you deserve to be seen. Actually, I have written here some fun words, but you should write here some keywords. Let's say if you're a web design agency, then within your tagline you can write the best web design agency in the world, like that. So you can better use some of the keywords that will represent your business more. And then you don't need to change these URLs. And if you wanna change your administration email address, you can change that from this place. And then from here, if you want, you can change your site language. Like here is the default language, it's English, but if you want to change it to any other language, you can do that, but I'm keeping it in English. Then you can change the time format, date format from this place, but I'm happy with this setting. So let's just scroll down and I'm clicking on save changes. Then I wanna do another basic settings. So from under settings, let's now go to permalinks. Here you see the default permalink settings is set to day and name, but I don't want that, so I'm making it to post name. Basically, if you set your permalink to plain or the date, then any of your blog post page or your website's other pages URL would something weird like this. That's your website URL name.com, then / and these bizarre numbers. Instead, if you keep your permalink to post name, then your posts or pages URL would be more human readable, like your website name.com / about.us, and that's also good for search engine optimization. Alright, let's set post name and scroll down, click on save changes.